Google's Made by Google event is officially set for August 20th, but let's be honest, there may not be much left to surprise us. Over the past few weeks, Pixel 10 leaks have been everywhere. Even Google itself has accidentally joined the party. And now, we're getting what appear to be official press renders of the upcoming Pixel Watch 4. Yes, we're talking full-blown promotional shots, multiple color variants, and a fresh lineup of band options. These images, first shared by Android headlines, reveal the watch styled in what Google is reportedly calling moonstone, iris, obsidian, and porcelain active bands, alongside vibrant limoncello and indigo sport bands for those wanting a splash of color. The Pixel Watch 4 will be available in both 41mm and 45mm sizes, catering to all wrist types. Interestingly, the active bands are said to be made from a new, more comfortable material. However, the sport bands will only be available for the smaller 41mm version. But the upgrades don't stop there. Charging is getting a serious overhaul. The Pixel Watch 4 is expected to charge up to 25% faster. With one caveat, it'll now need to be placed on its side due to relocated charging contacts. This design shift might help repairability, but it also means your old Pixel Watch chargers won't be compatible. Now for what could be the headline feature, satellite SOS functionality. The same life-saving capability Apple introduced with the iPhone 14 is reportedly coming to Google's Smartwatch. According to Android Authority, newly discovered code in Google's Satellite Gateway app all but confirms it. Here's the catch. The watch itself won't have a built-in satellite modem. Instead, it will rely on a compatible Pixel phone, the Pixel 9 or the upcoming Pixel 10 series, to transmit emergency messages. Whether older Pixel watches or other Wear OS devices will gain this feature is still unknown. The code does reference both Pixel phones and Pixel watches, suggesting this could be a Pixel-exclusive functionality. Bad news for non-Pixel users. With the Made by Google event now just weeks away, we won't have to wait long for the full story. What's your take on the Pixel Watch 4 leaks? Are faster charging and satellite SOS enough to tempt you to upgrade? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.